Ready to dive back into Pandora, even when you're not at your PC? Let's get Borderlands to running smoothly on your Nvidia Shield. First things first, ensure you have Borderlands to install and ready to go on your PC. Then, make sure your Nvidia Shield and your PC are connected to the same network. Next, on your PC, open the Nvidia GeForce Experience application, sign in if needed, and make sure you're logged in with the same account you'll use on your Shield. Go to the Games tab. If Borderlands 2 isn't already scanned, click the Scan for Games button. It might take a moment to find it, so be patient. Once located, confirm Borderlands 2 is in the list. Now, we move to the Shield. On your Shield, head to the Nvidia Games app, sign in with the same Nvidia account as your PC. If required, you should see your PC listed in the app. Select your PC. After a moment, you should see a list of all your installed PC video games ready for streaming, including Borderlands 2. Tap on Borderlands 2 to launch it. It may take a few seconds to connect and start. Once the game loads, you're ready to go. Now you can play Borderlands 2 on your Nvidia Shield. You can customize your settings on your Shield. Open the options menu and remap controls to your liking. Feel free to adjust in-game graphics settings. If the stream appears laggy, you're all set to explore Pandora as you're away from your PC. Enjoy the game.